I know absolutely nothing about this restaurant apart from the fact that they sell Thai food. I popped in here the other day just to make sure that they will be open today. I do not even know what the name is because it's all in Thai, but I'm gonna have to ask. Sorry, crab. Sorry, crab. Jam dai mai? Jam dai. Our menu, crab. I think I'm gonna get away from this noise and I'll ask the guy later exactly what's the name of this restaurant. But let me show you around here while we wait for the menus. There's a nice Thai style wash basin. So this over here is the Bhumibol bridge. It's actually Bhumibol 1 bridge, and it goes that way, and then the same bridge crosses the same river again, and that's the Bhumibol 2 bridge. So Bhumibol 1 here and Bhumibol 2 over there. And I just live down the road, or down the river actually, right on the river bank. So this place is very close to my condo. Nanarai. So this restaurant is called Nanarai. And let's have a quick look and see what they have. Oh, great! They have English too. Wow, it's not every day you find English on menus at restaurants like these. So this is a big bonus. Recommend online club.
Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp. Okay.
For this and this. This 2 times.
2 times. Okay.
1 time and 2 times.
And this one for this?
Yes.
Ah, you get that. So apparently this restaurant went to these 2 TV shows, and they actually TV channel. Yeah. They went to these 2 TV channels, and they actually prepared this food at these 2 TV channels. Wow, cool. So our song crab. Nung sai prik, they go nung mai sai prik. Doesn't look like that bus gonna go anywhere. Thank you. Got some bottled water over here and some ice. We call this Nam Keng in Thai. How long have you had this restaurant? How many years?
20 years.
Whoa, really? 20 years?
20 years ago.
Oh. And what day and what time is it busy?
In the evening.
In the evenings. Every evening?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Wow,
All
20 years
maybe
old.
Afternoon.
Oh, afternoon. Oh, okay. Thank you. So it seems like this whole section, at least from over there to over here, is built above the water. You can actually see it. Let's go have a look. There we go. See? Cool. You'll find that the owner probably lives up there too. Your house? Yeah. And why do you have so many dogs? Do you breed dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah? What kind of
I sell
what kind of dog is that?
Jack Russell.
Oh yeah, nice.
This is the daughter of King.
Yes.
Daughter of the King.
Of King Bhumibol.
No, not Bhumibol.
The current king,
Yeah.
King Rama the 10th.
Number 10.
Okay. So which one is his daughter?
This is daughter.
This is the daughter. Okay. Did she come here?
Come here.
Oh.
To dinner.
Really? Oh wow. Okay.
Later for palace. To inform me.
That they come.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, great. So this is the daughter of King Rama the 10th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the granddaughter of King Bhumibol.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this place is quite famous, it seems. over here, first of all, let's start up here. This is the late King Bhumibol, King Rama the Ninth. So at the moment, his son, I do not know his name, but King Rama the 10th, he is currently reigning over Thailand. And this over here is his daughter. And she came here to come have dinner here at this restaurant. And this is the official letter from the palace to inform this restaurant that Her Royal Highness would come here and come have dinner here. Oh, thank you very much. Oh yeah, that looks nice. What we have here is simply white rice, and this is the star on this table right now. It is beef in ground peanut coconut cream curry, and this is one of the dishes which they went to the TV channel to prepare for them there. This one looks even better. It looks so cool with the chilies. Shall we try this beef curry out? It looks and it smells really good. Yeah, that is good. Plus, beef is not very popular in Thailand because it's quite expensive. So it's always a treat having beef.
Regency.
Oh, and Regency.
Regency.
Regency. Oh, okay.
Regency.
I'm on a diet, so I'm not drinking alcohol today. I'm drinking water instead. But they do have beers here. They also have some whiskey. And this restaurant, by the way, last order is at 9 p.m. and they close around 10 p.m. and they open every day. This dish is 250 Thai baht here. And then you go across the river and you see there in the distance the place with the gold dome. That's the Sky Bar. And then you have the same meal there and you will pay at least 10 times the price. That was really good, like a nice comfort meal. And ironically, we have pretty much the same food prepared for dinner tonight at our condo. Masaman. I will have to show you what that looks like sometime when I go to a restaurant where they serve masaman. But masaman is our favorite dish in Thailand. Right, so it's time to go and pay. Check bin krab. Im leo. Im leo. อร่อยมากๆ โอ้ อร่อยจังเลย เยี่ยม Okay, so for the rice, the two dishes underwater, it's only 580 baht. It's so inexpensive. Yeah, definitely coming back here. The food here is good. I like this whole environment. Anyway, time to go home.
This one.
Is this the TV show?
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
This. Oh no. This one.
And this one.
Beef curry.
Oh, nice. Oh, I know this one. I know this person. Very funny, huh? Very funny. Yeah.
It's a Mr. Thai.
Oh, this is a very famous or popular TV personality.
Second time.
Oh, okay.
Second time.
Famous.
This is have a Thai select
Okay.
to add the foreigner.
Oh, I see.
Like you know.
Great, Tyson leg. Thank you. And this one is? What is this one? Leather Channel. Ah, okay. So obviously this place is quite famous. They did achieve quite a bit. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Shortly, Krab. Thank you. Bye bye. That was good. And you can see from the area, you would never imagine that there's such a restaurant with such good food around here. The rest of this area seems rather dilapidated, I suppose is the word. But you never know. You can always find these little treasures and gems all over Bangkok.